Hello everyone and welcome to Explode Maths. In this video, we are going to solve these radical algebra equations that are square root of a plus square root of b is equal to 10 and square root of a times b is also equal to 10. Then what are the values of a and b? So let us see its solution. So let us deal with this equation. Square root of a plus square root of b is equal to 10, and here we will take square on both sides. So now here will be square root of a square plus square root of b square plus 2 times square root of a times square root of b is equal to 100. Then here will be, as this square will cancel out the square root, so here is a and same here is b plus here is 2 times square root of a times b is equal to 100. And now here a plus b plus 2 times square root of a times b is equal to 10 as from this equation. So here we will put it 2 times 10 equal to 100. Then here is a plus b plus 20 is equal to 100, or now a plus b is equal to 100 minus 20, that will be a plus b equal to 80, and we will mark this equation a plus b equal to 80 as equation number 1. And now let us deal with the other equation, that is square root of a times b is equal to 10, and by taking squares on both sides, here we will get a times b equal to 100, and here b will be equal to 100 divided by a, and we will mark this equation as equation number 2. So now here we will take this equation a plus b equal to 80, that is equation number 1. Here we will take a plus b is equal to 80, and from equation number 2 we will put the value of b. So here will be a plus 100 divided by a is equal to 80. So here LCM is a, so numerator will be here a square plus 100 equal to 80, or now a square plus 100 is equal to 80 times a, and now this implies that a square minus 80a plus 100 is equal to 0. So here we have gotten a form of quadratic equation like a x square minus bx plus c is equal to 0, and here the quadratic formula to find the value of x is x equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. So by following that formula, here the value of a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 80, and c is equal to 100. And the formula for the value of a will be equal to, here we will put the values of b, a, b and c. So here will be minus into minus 80 plus minus square root of minus 80 square minus 4 times 1 times 100 divided by 2 times 1. So here a will be equal to minus times minus is plus 80 plus or minus square root of minus 80 square is equal to positive 6400 minus 4 times 100 is 400 divided by 2, or now here it will be equal to a is equal to 80 plus or minus square root of 6400 minus 400 will be equal to 6000 divided by 2, and now a is equal to 80 plus or minus square root of 600 can be written as, 6000 can be written as 4 times 1500 divided by 2, and now a will be equal to 80 plus or minus square root of 4 is equal to 2. So here 2 is out of root, so inside the root is 1500 divided by 2, or now a will be equal to, from numerator we will take 2 common, so here will be 80 divided by 2 is equal to 40 plus or minus square root of 1500 divided by 2, and here this 2 will be cancelled by this 2, so here a is equal to 40 plus or minus square root of 1500 can be written as 100 times 15. So now a is equal to 40 plus or minus this 100 is the square of 10, so here 10 will be out of root, then times square root of 15. So here we have gotten two values of a. A1 is equal to 40 plus 10 times square root of 15, and A2 is equal to 40 minus 10 times square root of 15. And here again we will take this equation number 1, that is a plus b equal to 80. So here we will write it a plus b is equal to 80, then here b is equal to 80 minus a. So we can find out the values of b, that also will be two values. So here we will put a1 and a2 in this equation. So here b1 is equal to 80 minus a1, and b1 will be equal to 80 minus 40 plus 10 times square root of 15, are here. B1 is equal to 80 minus 40 is equal to 40, and sorry, here we have to put the bracket. So here minus times plus is minus 10 times square root of 15. And now we will find the other value of b by putting the value of a 2 here. So here is b2 equal to 80 minus a2, and then b2 is equal to 80 minus this 40 minus 10 times square root of 15. So here b2 is equal to 80 minus 40, and minus times minus is plus 10 times square root of 15 are now b2 is equal to 80 minus 40 is equal to 40 plus 10 times square root of 15. So here we have found the values of a and b are. Here we can see that the value of a1 is equal to b2 and the value of b1 is equal to a2. So here we can write it. A1 is 40 plus 10 times square root of 15, then b1 is 40 minus 10 times square root of 15, and when a is equal to 40 minus 10 times square root of 15, b is equal to 40 plus 10 times square root of 15.